Hello crafty cuties! It's been a while since I have done a junk journal flip through, and I thought it would be appropriate to show you my final journal using the spring junk trunk kit. This is also going to be available in my shop when this video goes up. I will have the link below. But yeah, this is also your reminder that the spring kits will be available tomorrow if you're watching this when I upload it on May 19th, Saturday at 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So if you're looking for an ultimate junk journal kit, definitely check that out. And I used the video courses that I include with the kit on making this journal right here. So this journal is going to come with a bunch of extras and little goodies that I had intended to use when I was putting this together. But I love the fabric. I think it's gorgeous. There are some vintage buttons here, metal book corners, lots of little pieces, bits and pieces kind of peeking out the sides. It has a little lace closure, and it does have a curved spine, and it has this tassel, which I actually made on one of my live streams recently, and a little charm that has this pretty little rose, and then it has a little key charm up here as well. You can see that. And we're just gonna hop right in and we'll go through the entire journal here. This is a double lace closure, so it has like two pieces right here and two over here. I loved this dainty lace. I thought it worked well with this journal. So when you open it up, there's a nice little pocket here for any type of, you know, if you want to title your book something, you could put that in here, or any little extra bits and pieces, just a little extra clip right here. I kept a lot of these pages pretty blank, but the papers were so pretty that I feel like you could easily just put a photo here and that page would be done. You could write a title up here, maybe the month or year that you're using it. We have a little decoupage bag with just a plain shipping tag in here. This pretty paper has come from Tsunami Rose. It's the Rose Note Cards kit. And here's a pretty little paper flower paper clip clipped on there. Lots of little ephemera pieces from the journaling kit, and then I mixed it with some sewn embellishments and ephemera, and I mixed it with some really pretty scrapbook paper to kind of tie in the pink and blue. I really like that together. Just a little tuck spot with a decoupage tag. So lots of space for journaling in this one. A little wallpaper pocket here. This is another little decoupage glassine bag. So this was one of the video courses, was decoupage. So you'll see some decoupage tags and bags throughout. Just a little shipping tag. You could write something down on here with a little fabric tab. I just felt like this paper was too pretty to mess with too much. There are lots of little pockets, and this is one of my printable journaling cards that I put in this pocket. You could journal on the back of it. It is lined with some vintage ledger paper. I added some really pretty little washi down here. We have a full page pocket here with another decoupage tag. I love how these turned out. So fun and so easy to make. Try to put that back real quick. Lots of lined places. Another like little layaway tag here. Another pocket with some journaling cards here. Isn't this washi so pretty? I love it so much. I definitely got it from some Happy Mail. I think, I don't remember who right now, but here's a little pocket, another fabric tab. This is a pocket as well. I just put this little clip here so you could use that however you wanted. A little vintage playing card that flips out. You could line this with something and do journaling, and maybe put a photo here. I can't help myself by like visualizing what people are going to do with the journals. I just can't help it. Here is a mini envelope. Tuck away something special in there. A little fabric paper clip that I made. A little glassine bag with, again, the sewing. I just love adding little details, especially in this book since I didn't do too much. I kept it pretty plain for how I usually do it, so I definitely wanted these extra strings and sewing throughout. And if you don't like the strings, you can cut those off, but I really like how this turned out to be really neat and clean. lots of room to actually like work with and really just make it your own. Some lined paper. We have another little pocket with a mini envelope. Ledger paper. Have a nice big pocket here. This is another printable that I have. Oops. And then this paper is so pretty. It was a paper pad from Michael's, but I love how it has that gold foiling. A little flip out here. And then we are into the third signature. And kind of just the same thing. Oh, this paper is so pretty. And this would be the perfect size for a photo. And some more lined paper. We have another pocket. It has like a little pocket here that you can put something in. Some more sewn ephemera. Flip out. And we are almost getting to the end. I love this little flip out with the little rose there. A little doily tuck spot. Another decoupage tag, and we are to the back. And I lined this with lace right here, and then I put a library card here with a little label. And then you can put details on the library card. And there we go, guys. So I hope that you enjoyed this flip through. If anything, hopefully it gave you an idea of what you can create with the kit. I obviously did add in a lot of my own things for my stash, but I do include the main things that you need along with the video instructions on how to make something like this. I give lots of tips and tricks on embellishing and things like that. So if you guys have any questions, please leave them down below, and I will have my shop link and a link to this listing down below if it's still available when this video goes up. And I really am excited for tomorrow's big kit release, so I will see you there, and feel free to leave any questions below that you have about the kit, and I will try to get to them promptly. See you guys later. Bye bye.